Tired of boring spreadsheets? Unleash the power of conditional formatting. Level up your data. Master this new Excel rule for stunning lists. Select Data Validation from the Data menu. Choose List from the options. Allow List Sources, type Good, Fair and Poor. Click OK. Unleash the power of color. New Excel rule to transform your data lists. Select all cells, go to Conditional Formatting, choose New Rule from option. Click on Format only cells that contain. Now, from drop-down, select Equal to on this space type Good. Click Format button, font color, white. Font style, bold. Under Fill choose any color. Click OK. Repeat process for fair and poor text.
I hope this video has been informative and helpful. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.